Today we will discuss about accessing type selector in ribbon modify tab. First of all, I welcome all my friends on my educational channel. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest videos. Like and share also. The type selector identifies the currently selected family type and provides a drop-down from which you can select a different type. When a tool for placing elements is active or elements of the same type are selected in the drawing area, the type selector displays at the top of the properties palette. To make the type selector available when the properties palette is closed, right-click the type selector and click Add to Ribbon Modify tab. Type selector will add in Ribbon Modify tab. If you want to remove type selector from Ribbon Modify tab, then right-click on Type Selector panel and select Remove from Ribbon Modify tab. Type selector will remove from ribbon. So this was our accessing type selector in ribbon modify tab topic today. Hope you understand it. Stay tuned for more educational videos. BIM Talks.